Hi, I'm Steve from Pitch Care, and today we're going to be running through the Reguflow irrigation hose. We're going to take a larger one of the 3 Jubilee clips that come in the pack. We're going to drop that onto the end of the Reguflow black layflat hose pipe. The next stage, we're going to take a 1-inch brass hose tail. We're going to wrap some PTFE tape around the end of it, and this is just going to create a watertight seal, because the Reguflow being a smooth surface on another smooth surface of the brass hose tail, we can get a little bit of slippage which could cause a little bit of leaking at the end of the hose pipe. So now that we've wrapped our brass hose tail and the PTFE tape, we're going to insert it into the end of the Reguflow pipe. And tighten the Jubilee clip onto the end. Our next step is going to repeat the exact same steps for the other end of the Reguflow. Just going to run the Reguflow the length of our wicket. This one will be a little bit more. Our next step is to drop the blanking cap onto the end of the hose tail and twist. And this end we're done. Final step is to connect our hose pipe onto the geeker fitting again, like so. So there we go, Reguflow's all set up and we're getting the wicket watered.